What's up guys, it's Mike from Yota Xpedition, and today we're gonna be installing the NYTOP recovery points for our 4th gen Tacoma. These are not only gonna look better, but they're gonna perform better. So while Corey gets this up in the air, we're gonna go through on how to install these and tell you a little bit more about them.
Taking a closer look at the recovery points, you are gonna notice that we have 2 for the rear and 2 for the front. The 2 on the rear are gonna extend out past your bumper, allowing for easy access to your recovery points, thus allowing for easier recoveries. You're also going to get all the necessary hardware in this kit to get them installed properly. Now that we have the truck up in the air, let's go ahead and remove the 2 front OEM recovery points. Starting off with a 17mm socket and ratchet, we're going to break these loose. Then you can grab your impact and get them removed all the way. Now that we have them off, we can get a side-by-side comparison of the 2. Take those same exact bolts, get the new recovery points back up and installed. Once those are snugged down, you can take your torque wrench and torque these down to 75 foot-pounds. There you have it. Both of the NYTOP front recovery points are installed on our 4th gen Tacoma, and they are looking great. You can see that we do have a factory recovery point on the passenger side of the rear. Now these 2 slots on the rear of your hitch receiver are not for recovery. They should only be used for your trailer safety chains. Now on each side of your frame, you're gonna have a total of 4 of these plastic covers. We're gonna start by removing them on each side with a flathead screwdriver.
Oh, you weren't kidding. You were not kidding.
Depends on how they want to come out.
Just be very careful removing these. As you can see, they do pop out if you pinch them wrong. Once you have the one side off, you can go ahead and take your flathead screwdriver and push it through the hole to get them removed all the way. Super simple, easy to do, and this is what it should look like once you have them popped out. Now taking a look at the hardware, you're gonna have 2 longer bolts and 2 shorter bolts. Take the longer bolt and put it through the thicker part of the recovery point, and then take the shorter bolt and put it through the thinner part of the recovery point. You're also gonna have 2 different washer options, which Corey will explain here.
So we got 2 of the thinner thickness washers going on the front bolt, and then 1 thin, 1 thick going on the back bolt. I'm gonna put the thick one towards the recovery point.
Once you have the washers installed, you can go ahead and get this put up into place. Put 2 washers on the back side and thread the nuts down. Then you wanna make sure you get your recovery point nice and flush with the frame. Grab a 24mm socket and also a 24mm wrench, and then we're going to torque them to 75 foot-pounds. Because we have the TRD Sport, we do not have extra reinforcement in our frame, but if you have a higher trim package like the TRD Pro or the Trail Hunter, you're going to want to torque these down to 146 foot-pounds. Now we're going to do the same exact thing on the passenger side. Now that we have them installed, you can see that these do stick out past your bumper, allowing for ease of access for when you get stuck.
All right guys, that is a wrap on the NYTOP recovery points for the front and rear on our 4th gen Tacoma. If you're looking to get these NYTOP recovery points for your Tacoma or any other NYTOP product, make sure you head over to YotaXpedition.com. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about this specific install. I hope you guys learned something. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.